Welcome to the video number 5 of the website makeover video series, and this is the last video. I'm LeikHong. I'm going to share with you in this video why it is so critical to include a lead magnet into your website. Most people who visited your website may not send you an immediate inquiry, and since you have no idea who visited your website, there's no way for you to do any follow-up. So this is why it is so important to include a lead magnet on your website. A lead magnet is something that you give away for free for the visitor to exchange for their email contact. Alright, for example, if you are a yoga instructor and you are giving away an ebook with the title of 7 yoga lessons for beginner on your website. So who do you think will download this ebook? The person who are interested in yoga learning, right? So you see, when people are downloading your ebook, in a way you are collecting their email. So from the email list that you are collecting, these people are already warm leads. So when you do subsequent follow-up with this group of people, the chances of them buying your product will be higher. So there you have it, the 5 things you need to do to make over your website that make you money. Number 1, make your website relevant to what customer want. Number 2, the header is the most important section of the website, make it clear. Number 3, have an obvious and relevant call to action. Number 4, break down key info into bite size. And lastly, number 5, include a lead magnet on your website. Wishing you all the best. And if you'd like to download the complete website template, click on the link in the description below.